Raindrops on the window, neon lights, blurs glow. Midnight, I'm still awake, listening to every drop it makes. Quiet room, but my mind's loud, your voice still echoing somehow. Phone screen lighting up my face, old messages I can't erase. Thought I'd be okay by now, but I don't really know how. Every street feels colder, every night gets longer. I keep telling myself I'm getting stronger. It's just rain on repeat, falling soft to the beat, but it sounds like you. Every drop feels like you, and I try to move on, but the night feels too long. In this quiet, empty room, I'm still stuck on you. City's glowing through the glass, watching all the moments pass. People rushing somewhere new, while I'm here thinking of you. Coffee's cold, untouched again, writing thoughts I can't explain. Every line just leads me back to the memories we had. If the rain could wash away everything I couldn't say, maybe I'd finally breathe without you haunting me. It's just rain on repeat, falling soft to the beat, but it sounds like you. Every drop feels like you. Raindrops slowly fade, but you still remain. In the quiet, you don't go away. Yeah. Just stay a little longer. Late night, your voice on my phone feels like I'm never alone. Every word you say so slow, like a song I already know. Soft smile through the screen like glow, heartbeats moving low. Didn't plan to fall this way, but you got me anyway. And I don't wanna rush this feeling, no lie. You got my heart revealing. Every little thing you do pulls me closer into you. Stay a little longer tonight, right here in this moment, don't hide. Everything feels so right when I'm lost in your eyes. Stay a little closer, don't go. I don't wanna be alone. If this is a dream, let me stay with you till the break of day. Sunrise painting on your face, time slows down in your space. Every touch, every breath feels like more than just a stare. We don't need no perfect lines, just your hand holding mine. In this quiet, simple way, you're the reason that I stay. No filters, no disguise, just you and I tonight. Hearts talking without sound. In your love, I'm fine. Stay a little longer your eyes holding mine so long. Feels like where I belong. City hum in the distance low. Shadows dancing soft and slow. Every second feels brand new when I'm here with you. Don't rush, don't move, let the moment stay. We don't need words, just drift this way. Stay in the glow tonight. Everything feels so right. No need to say goodbye. Just stay right here with me. Lost in the quiet vibe. Time passing us by. In this soft midnight, you're all I see. One touch, gentle spark, lighten up the dark. Every breath feels aligned, like your world meets mine. No plans, just this view. Simple things we do in this calm hidden space. I can feel your heart. If the night fades away, would you still wanna stay in this feeling we found when no words make a sound? Stay in the glow tonight. Everything feels so right. No need to say goodbye. Just stay right here. Soft light, fading slow, but I don't let you go. In this quiet flow, we stay. Street lights fading in the rain. Another night feels the same. Window view, city blurred and cold. Hands wrapped round a cup gone cold. Thoughts drift where I can't control. Some things never let me go. Your name lingers in the air, like a song that's always there. Even when I try to sleep, it finds a way back to me. I don't know where we went wrong, but I still replay it all. In the silence of my room, I still hear you call. Somewhere between the quiet, I still feel you close. In every little moment, you're the one I miss the most. Time moves, but I'm not healing. Just learning to pretend that I don't feel your absence in everything again. Late, scrolling through old days. Familiar smiles I can't erase. We were something I can't replace. Now it's just an empty space. Raindrops tracing down the glass, like memories that always last. Even when I look away, they come back anyway. If I could pause this pain or wash it out like rain, maybe I'd finally breathe without you next to me. Somewhere between the quiet, I still feel you close. In every little moment, you're the one I miss the most. Streetlights slowly disappear, but somehow you're still here. In the quiet, you're still here. Final spin and slow, light falls through the window. Dust in the golden air, quiet moments everywhere. Pages turn and time moves light, nothing heavy on my mind. Distant sounds fade into calm, like a gentle steady song. Every thought begins to flow to a rhythm soft and low. No rush, no race, just breathing in this space. Let the world drift away, I don't need to chase. We stay in soft loops tonight, everything feels just right. Let it play, don't rewind, leave the noise behind. Slow days, quiet mind, peace I couldn't find. Now it's right here with me in this melody. Coffee cooling by my side, raindrops tracing gentle lines. Lo-fi beats inside my head, every word unsaid. City moving far away, but I don't feel the same. In this little world I made, I can finally stay. Close my eyes, drift away, let the moment softly stay. No need for anything, just this quiet every. We stay in soft loops tonight, everything feels just right. Let it play, don't rewind, leave the noise behind. Final fading slow, where the soft winds blow. Time moves quietly, that's enough for me. Yeah, yeah. Sunlight on my skin. Woke up slow, no alarm today. Golden light slipping through the shade. Coffee warm, got nowhere to be. Just me, myself, and this melody. Windows down, let the breeze roll in. Feel the world as it settles in. No stress, no rush, just time, letting every moment shine. I don't need no big plans, got everything in my hands. Little things feel brand new, and the sky's this blue. We just living on easy days, let the sunlight lead the way. No worries, no delays, just vibes in a soft replay. We just floating, feeling free, like waves on a quiet sea. If this moment's all we got, I'm loving every part. Sidewalk steps, music in my ears, laughing loud, forgetting fears. Simple talk, nothing too deep, but it's everything I wanna keep. Shadows dance on city streets, heartbeat moving with the beat. Every second feels so right, like we're holding on to life. Slow it down, don't let it fade. These are memories we make. No rewind, just press play. Stay right here, don't drift away. We just living on easy days, let the sunlight lead the way. No worries, no delays, just vibes in a soft replay. Easy days, drift away, sunlight stays. Yeah, yeah. Late night vibes. City lights fading, I'm lost in the blue. Midnight calling, it's leading to you. Cold wind blowing, but I feel your heat. Heartbeat slow when you're next to me. Silhouette dancing under the sky. Stars in your eyes, I'm caught in the high. Don't say a word, just stay in the scene. You're like a dream, I don't wanna leave it. I feel every move you make. footsteps echo in the quiet dark. Your energy lighting up my heart. Every second feel like a spark, writing our story without a start. Soft touch like a melody, you and me in this frequency. Time stops when you're next to me. This is where I wanna be. No rush, no pain, just us in the rain of stars above, falling in love. I'm caught in your light around, drifting a little closer. No need for words, I know it. You got me falling over. I'm lost in your vibe, no light, floating under starlight. Stay with me till sunrise. Don't let this moment soft light through the window, coffee warm in my hands, pages turning slowly like a calm familiar song. Little moments passing by where everything feels right. Distant voices in the room fading into gentle noise. In this quiet afternoon, I finally hear my thoughts. Time moves softer here, nothing disappears. Every breath is clear, no pressure anywhere. In these quiet corners I stay, let the world just drift away. Every thought begins to flow in a rhythm soft and low. No rush, no race to run, just my moments one by one. In this calm I finally see, this is where I wanna be. Raindrops writing on the glass, tracing stories as they fall. Pen is moving with my mind, no need to rush at all. Lo-fi echoes in my ears like a steady, gentle guide. Every note just pulls me in to a peaceful state of mind. Let it breathe, let it flow. There's no place I need to go. All the noise is far away in this quiet cafe. In these quiet corners I stay, let the world just drift away. Every thought begins to flow in a rhythm soft and low. Soft light fading slow, coffee cold but I don't go. Time can wait outside, I'll stay here a while.